Hello everybody. Here are the 16 best foods for diabetics, both type 1 and type 2. One. Fatty fish. Fatty fish contain omega-3 fats that reduce inflammation and other risk factors for heart disease and stroke. 2. Leafy greens. Leafy green vegetables are rich in nutrients and antioxidants that protect your heart and eye health. 3. Cinnamon. Cinnamon may improve blood sugar control, insulin sensitivity, cholesterol and triglyceride levels in type 2 diabetics. 4. Eggs. Eggs improve risk factors for heart disease, promote good blood sugar control, protect eye health and keep you feeling full. 5. Chia seeds. Chia seeds contain high amounts of fiber, are low in digestible carbs and may decrease blood pressure and inflammation. 6. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, which may reduce blood sugar levels and inflammation, while protecting against heart and kidney disease. 7. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt promotes healthy blood sugar levels, reduces risk factors for heart disease and may help with weight management. 8. Nuts. Nuts are a healthy addition to a diabetic diet. They're low in digestible carbs and help reduce blood sugar, insulin and LDL levels. 9. Broccoli. Broccoli is a low-calorie, low-carb food with high nutrient value. It is loaded with healthy plant compounds that can protect against various diseases. 10. Extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil contains healthy oleic acid. It has benefits for blood pressure and heart health. 11. Flax seeds. Flax seeds may reduce inflammation, lower heart disease risk, decrease blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. 12. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar can improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. It may also help you feel full for longer. 13. Strawberries. Strawberries are low-sugar fruits that have strong anti-inflammatory properties and may help reduce heart disease risk. 14. Garlic. Garlic helps lower blood sugar, inflammation, LDL cholesterol and blood pressure in people with diabetes. 15. Squash. Summer and winter squash contain beneficial antioxidants and may help lower blood sugar and insulin levels. 16. Shirataki noodles. The glucomannan in shirataki noodles promotes feelings of fullness and can improve blood sugar control and cholesterol levels. The bottom line. However, eating foods that help keep blood sugar, Insulin and inflammation under control can dramatically reduce your risk of developing complications. That's all for this video. If you find it useful and you liked it, please click on the like button below the video, and subscribe in your channel, Be Your Doctor, and please don't forget to activate the bell to get all our new videos in your notifications. Have a nice day.